Welcome back to Spy Garage.
The 2026 Prevost X3-45 Luxury Motorhome, which combines cutting-edge engineering, elegant design, and unmatched passenger comfort, marks a significant advancement in the field of luxury recreational vehicles. Continuing Prevost's long history of manufacturing high-end bus chassis, the 2026 version of the X3-45 model is expected to raise the bar for open-road luxury travel. The 2026 Prevost X3-45's exterior design is expected to keep the model's distinctively modern and streamlined profile, which is defined by large panoramic windows that provide unhindered views and let in an abundance of natural light. In addition to being purely aesthetic, the vehicle's aerodynamic contours are essential for maximizing fuel economy and guaranteeing a stable and comfortable ride, even over long distances. It is anticipated that the incorporation of sophisticated lighting systems for safety and illumination will blend in perfectly with the overall design, improving visibility and adding to the motorhome's impressive appearance. The interior design of the 2026 Prevost X3-45 Luxury Motorhome promises a blend of custom style and modern technology. With numerous slide-out sections that significantly increase the available space at a standstill, the roomy floor plan is painstakingly designed to maximize living areas. With choices for high-end leathers, exotic hardwoods, and specially created textiles, the interior material selection is expected to represent the highest standards of quality. The galley will probably have residential-grade appliances that blend in perfectly with custom cabinetry, giving it the look and feel of a gourmet kitchen. In this class of vehicle, connectivity and entertainment are crucial. Modern audiovisual systems, smart home integration features, and strong internet connectivity are anticipated in the 2026 model, guaranteeing that residents are entertained and connected wherever they are. Advanced soundproofing will reduce outside noise and create a calm and private haven, while sophisticated climate control systems will keep the interior comfortable in any weather. The 2026 Prevost X3-45's driving experience is designed with the operator and passengers in mind. Renowned for its robustness and smooth ride, the chassis is probably going to integrate the most recent developments in driver assistance and suspension technology. These features, which all add to increased safety and usability, could include advanced braking systems, adaptive cruise control, and lane departure warning. With its ergonomic design, digital instrumentation, and user-friendly controls, the cockpit will give the driver complete information and smooth control over the car's systems. In summary, the 2026 Prevost X3-45 Luxury Motorhome is set to be the pinnacle of luxury travel. It will satisfy discriminating passengers who expect the highest level of comfort, convenience, and performance thanks to its combination of strong engineering, elegant design, and state-of-the-art technology. This motorhome provides an unmatched experience of upscale travel and independent living on the road. It is more than just a means of transportation.